So this is another part of our little Mexico in Atlanta. We're in the Pottery Garden at No Mas Hacienda, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a fountain. And the items you'll need are a pot. Any pot will work. We've got plenty of them here. And you're going to need a piece of PVC tubing. You're going to need a water pump. We're going to need some PVC cutters and some silicone. And that's really it. It's a simple project. So the first thing you need is a pot. And around the Hacienda garden, we've got lots of pots. You can take your choice, different colors, different styles, and all you got to do is grab a pot, and we're ready to go. Most normal pottery only has one hole, but it's not a big problem. We've got our silicone, and it's important that we use silicone because the way this cures, it actually becomes waterproof, and it has a great adhesion to the pottery surface. The next thing that we're going to do with our pump, this is just a basic water pump. You can pick them up at a garden shop. We also have them here in the Hacienda to make things easy. I've got a fitting here that's a regulator, and this comes with the pump, but it's an important piece not to lose because it is going to control the flow of water and give you the look that you want, and also control the splashing of the fountain when it's up and running. So the first thing is we're going to just rest this down in the bottom of the pot, right in the center, and of course the cord is trailing up the middle. Now this is your 1/2-inch PVC. We're going to slide that into the top of the regulator. It's sticking out really far above the piece of pottery. So what we're going to do is take our PVC cutters, and these are almost like pliers, but they've got a sharp blade, and this side here grabs the PVC. It's got a ratchet, and we are going to guess that we want this maybe 1.5 to 2 inches below the level of the pot, because we don't really want to see this pipe sticking out. But what we do want is the pipe to be able to bring the water up from the pump above the water level in the pot, and the water level will be right about here. And then the next step is with the silicone again, we want to adhere the pump to the bottom of the pot. Just for if it gets moved or when you're filling it with water, you don't want it to bounce around and get mixed up. You just want to put enough silicone on there that's going to stick it really well to the bottom of the pot. And I'm going to go ahead and place this once again down in the middle of the pot so that that sticks nice and good. We can hide this cord with a little bit of silicone as well and a clamp. We can just put a little dab of silicone on the cord, glue that in place, and then another little dab on the outside. And when that hardens, the cord is very easy to disguise at the back of the pottery. You can put a little piece of greenery, just something so that you don't notice it. Your main focus is going to be the water coming out of the pot. It sounds great. It's going to really bring a lot of life to your patio. You can put this anywhere where you have a power source, and you just fill it when it goes low on the water.